What's up, everybody? I'm inside my 1991 Toyota Previa right now. I got this thing back in 2011. I paid $1,000 for it, but it had 200,000 miles exactly on it when I got it. And now the odometer stopped at like 250,000, and that was 5 years ago. So I'm just gonna guess it's got about 300,000 miles on it. I spent about $200 on the conversion to make it into a kind of a pseudo camper situation. It's worked really well for me. I've spent a lot of time in this van. I've been to Colorado, I've been to San Francisco, I've been all over California, Texas, Nevada, I've been to Chicago, I was in Indianapolis, Indiana for a while. I've been all over Florida, Asheville, North Carolina, a time up in Knoxville. I've been all over in this van. I use a suitcase for the floor of the bed, for the bottom of the bed. If I would have had another panel there for the bottom, it would have taken up a lot of room, so I just used my suitcase because I had it anyways. I use an old futon mattress that I cut up and sewed together into 2 sections. Here I am showing you all the different ways to use the mattress. It worked really well like this for a really long time, and it was super comfortable. If you watch my newer videos, you'll see my new van set up, and it's way more simpler, and it just works really easy and super clean, and it's a lot lighter, and I really just prefer being able to pull everything out of the van and use it as a cargo van if I need to. But this setup was really great for a really long time, and I really liked it. It looked good too. I had a lot of fun going through this old footage. I really just wanted to show you guys my old van setup and show you where I started. Sorry for the bad video footage. I've gotten much better now. I'll leave links at the end of the video to my original video if you want to see how bad it was at editing before this. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and be sure to check out our new videos. Me and Nancy, my dog, are going to go on another trip soon. Thanks for watching.